Hey there. I'm going to show you really quickly how you can take the results from that interest survey that you just took and help you find books that match those interests. So we're going to start at the library page right here. And I'm just going to move myself over here. Where you want to click on next is Book Catalog, which is right there. And this will bring you to our online book catalog, which you can kind of look through for recently added books, audiobooks, topics, things like that. But what I'm going to have you do is just put in one of the interests that you generated up in the search bar up here. So let's say it's soccer. And you'll get a whole bunch of results. You see there's 70 books on soccer, but I don't know if I want to scroll through all 70. So what I'm going to show you how to do is use the filters right here to help you narrow down that list. So first thing we want you to do is select the format because we want you to have a book, not an ebook. So we're going to click on that and you'll see we go down up there to 39 books. That's a little bit more manageable. Next thing I'm going to have you do is go to interest level. And what this does is it sort of ranks the books by grade level. And so I want you to change that from third grade to, I don't know, eighth grade to adult, and then hit done. And you'll see our number goes down to 33. Last thing I want you to look at is pages right here. And this will give you sort of the range of pages of these books. So if you're not interested in reading a 448-page book, just take this and scroll it down to the page numbers that you want to read. Hit done. And you'll see we're now down to 18 books. So let me get out of your way here. And this is when you're going to sort of start scrolling through these. Notice that if there's a red out, it means it's checked out, so it's not available. And if there's a green in, it means it's available, so you have it. And the information we want you to write down is the title, the author, and most importantly, the call number, which is right here. That will help us locate the book in the library, and we can grab it for you that way. So scroll through here. If you don't see anything that you're interested in, go up here and put in another search term from your interest survey and just repeat that process again so you can find books that match your interests. Another thing you might try is, we're back on the home page here. Get out of the way. Scroll down, and under topics here, this is where you could do a genre search. And so if one of the genres that you really love is horror, for example, just click on that little icon. And again, it'll take you back to the search results. Do the same thing. I'm going to go format book, interest level, move that up, and pages, go down to the page number that I'm interested in, and start scrolling. And now so you can start to look through all of these down here. One of the things is, if you find a book that's out, for example, what you can do is if you click on it, you can get similar titles right here. So it recommends similar titles, so you might want to check some of those. Another thing you might look at is seeing how the book is cataloged. And so if you click on Explore right here, you'll see all the different ways, tags that the book uses for the subjects that it concerns. So if you want to get more specific and not do horror fiction, but do like ghost stories, then you can click on ghost stories, and what that'll do is refresh your page, and now you're just getting ghost stories. So that's another way that you can search by genre and get more specific as you go. Okay, good luck. Send us your titles and we will get you your books.